Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about this new camera from Canon. So this is the Canon PowerShot Pick. Canon Australia did send this to me for review and I'm so happy, cannot wait to show you guys what I've been doing with this camera. So this video isn't going to be very in-depth, it's just going to be basically my sort of first impressions because I've only had it for the last few days and I've only really used it in a couple of settings. So I do want to take this outside and show you guys what it can really do, like, you know, B-roll sort of like vlogging. So let's do a little bit of an unboxing. So as you guys can see, inside we do have the usual manuals, warranty cards. Going down below we have the USB-C cable which you can connect to the camera and also to your computer, so you can download the footage and also use it to charge your camera. And obviously we have the PowerShot Pick. As you guys saw in the unboxing, it is so small. Here it is compared to a Mac bullet lipstick and next to an iPhone 8 Plus. So obviously this is a camera, so cute, and wait for it. Every time you turn it on it makes that sound. Anyway, I'm going to turn it off, otherwise it's going to keep trying to track something. So we have the power button here, we have the connection button here, so if you have your phone you can use your Bluetooth to basically connect this. I'll talk a little bit more about that. And then you have this little cover and then you have this little compartment. Sorry, I'm not a tech reviewer, but basically you can put in your micro SD card in there, make it nice and secure. And then this side is the USB-C cable. Again, you use this for charging and also transferring your data from the camera obviously to your computer. You can also use the app that I'm going to be talking about in a second to transfer stuff onto your phone. So if you're on the go, you want to post something, it makes it so easy. So I've got the app here on my other phone. It's called the Mini PTZ and you basically connect your camera. So I'm going to go to the kitchen and give you guys a little demonstration on how I use this. Once it's connected, then you can basically use your phone as a remote to control the camera. By the way, this app is also available on Android. So obviously you can take photos. As you guys can see here, there's a little joystick menu, so you can kind of tilt the camera wherever you want. So it's really handy for people that are basically solo filming, and the auto tracking is really good for, let's say, if you're trying to get like a B-roll of you walking. But in this case, I'm going to do video and I'm going to make a cup of tea. I know, very mundane, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. So at the bottom, as you guys can see, it has this little screw bit here. I don't know the technical term, so don't at me in the comments, but yeah, I'm just going to use my tripod, screw it in, that way I have a little bit more height. So going back onto the phone app, as you guys can see, I've kind of got the shot ready, but it's kind of skew-iff, so I'm just going to use the little joystick to basically get it the right way. And obviously you've got the zoom out and the zoom in function. Okay, now I'm going to do a little handheld test. So I've got the camera turned on, tracking is on, and I'm just going to hold it like this, how you would a vlogging camera essentially. And here's basically the clip right next to it. As you guys can see, it's actually doing a really decent job at image stabilization. Again, because the camera keeps moving, it's kind of compensating for the little jitters in my hand. But yeah, as you guys can see, the tracking is really handy. I feel like this would be something that you could use if you were, let's say, doing some solo vlogging outside and you want to do a bit of B-roll of you walking or, you know, doing your thing basically. Turn on the tracking, it will keep track on your face and you'll always be in frame. Now, I do not turn this on when I am basically doing my beauty videos because I kind of want you guys to just focus on the background, or me and then this background. I don't want you to, like, when I turn my head that way, you'll see basically some of the pile of clothing over there and other things that I'm trying to hide in this room. I'm basically trying to give this illusion that everything is perfect in this room, which is clearly not. But yeah, it's a really handy feature if you guys are solo vlogging out and about or just at home basically. So overall, first impressions wise, this camera is really good. It's really handy. And again, I think it's perfect for the content creator that just kind of wants to place the camera there and then kind of do their own thing and just not have to worry if they're not in frame or not. So I wish I had something like this when I first started, because I remember a lot of my first clips were always kind of like out of frame or just not in focus. So something like this is just so handy, especially now when you have like TikTok and Instagram where you kind of want something quite instant. I feel like the fact that you can just download directly onto your phone then just quickly edit it on your phone and you can just upload it. It's just so convenient. So if you guys are looking for a new camera, I do recommend you guys check this one out from Canon. But anyway, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I will be doing more videos featuring the camera and doing more vlogging with that camera over the next few weeks, so make sure you guys hit the follow button if you guys haven't already. And if you guys want me to test out any specific features, definitely let me know down in the comment box down below, and I will do my best to show you guys what this camera can do. Alright, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!